Hey guys, it's Alicia Dion, and I'm back with another tool that you can use to actually help market your travel business. And for the sake of this training, I don't have any recent travel boxes that have been delivered. So I'm going to use the box that was actually sent to me to do another review for another product. So just disregard if you see any names on the particular box. But of course, if you're in the travel industry, you can get what's called collateral or marketing materials from suppliers if they provide it. So they will send boxes and boxes of these things actually to your home, so you can use it for trade shows or vendor events that you're going to, or you can actually mail them out to your clients. But before you get to that particular part, I would suggest that if it's new marketing material that you have not shown, that you do what's called an unboxing video. You've seen them online, where like an Amazon haul or a Shein haul that people are doing, or Forever 21, wherever they're shopping, and they're actually opening the boxes with their viewers on live, or they're recording a video. So I suggest that you do that with your collateral material as well. So I'm going to take this particular box that was actually sent to me from somebody who wanted me to try a product. And of course, you would go through, I've already opened it, so you would go through the motions of opening the box with scissors or razor blade, whatever it is that you have, and you want to actually talk about, you know, the contents, and that wherever the contents were from, you actually want to show the products, let them see, hold up your hands, etc. If you have used the product before, let them know what it is, and just kind of show online. Your unboxing video does not have to be long. It can be 2 to 3 minutes. Or if you're getting into the meat of potatoes, or you're asking people if you would like any of the materials, go ahead and drop me a thumbs up in the comments so I can reach back out to you to get your information. You want to continue to have that video going. You want to kind of promote and produce engagement so people can see that video, so it can be boosted up in the Facebook or Instagram, wherever you're using algorithm, especially if you're live, so you can get more people reaching out to you in order to build your business. I encourage you, do these unboxing videos. Definitely, you know, you don't have to be dressed to the T, be casual. You can do it late night, early morning. It does not matter, guys. Just do it. This is another tool that you can actually use to help market and promote your business. This is the girl, Alicia Dion. Hopefully this information was beneficial. Bye.